Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find stored passwords in Google Chrome. To find this, click the three dots on the upper right, go down to where it says settings at the bottom there. Then on the left hand side, click on autofill and passwords. Now here you want to click on the Google Password Manager. In many cases, you may be required to enter your password for your computer, your admin password, if you're accessing this for the first time while you're having your browser open. But if you've accessed it before, then it will just open right up. Now, what you want to do now is just simple search for the passwords that you're looking for. In this case, this is a brand new account. I just have three, but I can click on them, anyone, and here it will show me the email address, the website, the password, and if there's any notes. Now, to view the password, just simply click on this eye right here, and it's going to quickly reveal the password for you. You can also copy it as well. But that's how you actually find stored password in Google Chrome. I want to show you something. If I go back, you also can use the search at the top. So if you have a huge list of passwords, you can start to type and search, right? So I know that I only have three, but if I want to search, for example, this card, right, or this card, you will see that it's search and it will pull up that one. So if you know the word or you're guessing and you have a whole lot, you can try to search by some keywords there or some name to be able to find or check if those passwords exist. But that's it.